Welcome to a brief analysis or critique of a certain style of stirling engine kit, displacer gamma configuration. What mine has, you'll notice the black dot at the center of rotation. Mine has a significant alignment problem that I will have to try to resolve. There should be a straight line there in the linkage, and there's not. In order to bring that center point into alignment, things are not straight. So, that's one thing that folks might look for if they're less than satisfied with the way their little engine runs. Mine also has an issue of the O-rings that hold the displacer support assembly are not snug enough, and the assembly wiggles around in there when it's running. So I plan to make another video when I've got these bugs worked out. At least the cold side went together, you know, without too much difficulty. Thanks. Oh, one other thing though. This idler that comes from the flywheel is too short on this design. It should be at least 1 centimeter longer, and at least extend beyond the flywheel when it's at its farthest point. So you can see it's lacking about 1 centimeter or half an inch in there for that rod to be the optimal length, minimum optimal. Gotta love these stupid cameras that refuse to focus. Okay, I guess that's it. Thanks.